In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Welcome Bot to Discord in 2024. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Discord's website. If you're already a Discord user, this environment will feel quite familiar. For newcomers, think of Discord as a one-stop shop for community engagement where gaming meets social interaction. Upon landing on the Discord login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email. This is your key to accessing your Discord universe. A universe where you and your friends or community members can connect and share moments. Go ahead and type in the email associated with your Discord account. Next comes the critical part that ensures it's really you, entering your password. Make sure to input it correctly to avoid any access issues. Always remember, keeping your password secure and to yourself is paramount in safeguarding your digital presence. After entering your credentials, it's time to dive into your Discord world by clicking on Login. This button is your portal into communities, gaming sessions, chats, and more. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the Discord home. It's like standing at the entrance of an amusement park, ready to explore. Here you can see which friends are online, join voice chats, or check up on the numerous servers you're a part of. Speaking of servers, click on any server you manage or have administrative privileges on. Servers are where communities thrive in Discord, each a unique space for different groups or topics. To add a welcome bot, right-click on the server name or icon, then navigate to Server Settings. This area allows you to customize and manage your server's inner workings and features. Inside Server Settings, look for the App Directory. This is essentially your tool belt for enhancing your server with various applications and bots that serve different purposes, from moderation to welcoming new members. In the App Directory, type in ProBot. ProBot is a versatile bot that comes with a multitude of functionalities, including welcome messages, which we are particularly interested in today. From the search results, click on ProBot's profile. This will take you to a screen where you can learn more about what ProBot has to offer. Once you've familiarized yourself with ProBot's capabilities, click on Add App. This option signifies you want to integrate ProBot into your server, adding another layer of interactivity and automation. After clicking Add App, you'll be redirected to visit ProBot's dedicated site. This external site is where you will finalize the settings and the addition of ProBot to your server. Next, you will see the option to Add to Server. Clicking this begins the process of integrating ProBot with your server, providing you with the necessary permissions and settings configuration options. Continuing, you will be prompted to click on Continue. This takes you further into the setup process, indicating your acceptance of the permissions ProBot requires to function optimally on your server. The Authorize button is what you'll hit next. This grants ProBot the approved permissions to operate within your server. Remember, it's important to only grant permissions and add bots that you trust, ensuring the safety and privacy of your server members. After authorizing, you might be asked to verify you're not a robot. Capture systems are a standard security measure to prevent automated systems from performing unauthorized actions. Once verified, it's time to configure ProBot's welcome message feature. Head back to the ProBot site, specifically to your server's settings on ProBot's dashboard. Look for the welcome and goodbye settings. This is where you'll craft those first impressions for new members, making them feel instantly at home. Click on Send a message when a user joins the server. This enables the welcome message feature, allowing you to set personalized greetings that automatically get sent to newcomers. Personalizing your welcome messages can significantly impact the community feel of your server. It's the first step to making newcomers feel valued and included. Consider tailoring messages that reflect the culture of your server, adding in fun emojis or even roles they might be interested in. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding a welcome bot to your Discord server. This enhancement not only fosters a welcoming atmosphere, but also automates an essential part of community building, making everyone feel recognized and appreciated from the moment they join. Happy Discord managing, and remember, a vibrant community starts with a warm welcome.